In this video, I will show you step by step how to change the display scale in Windows 11. So if you do find that the text, apps, icons or windows on your laptop or computer look too small or too large, then make sure to watch this full tutorial to learn how to adjust the display scaling settings and make everything easier to see. Before we do get started, make sure to like this video, comment below if you do have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Windows 11 tutorials and simple tech guides. To get started from your Windows 11 desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom and type Settings. Underneath Best Match, you should see Settings come up. Give it a click to open up your computer settings. And from here, what you need to do is come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto System. Once you've done that, you want to click onto Display at the top. And then what you want to do is come down to the Scale and Layout section. So you can see we've got an option for Scale. You can see by default, it's going to be set to the recommended scale, but you can click onto this drop down box and either increase or decrease it. So as you can see, if I increase it, it's going to make everything bigger, or we can make it smaller as well. And that's going to change the display scale on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So that is how to change display scale in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.